Hi, it's Anya here again, and today we will talk about New Zealand's most popular commercial greenhouse film. DURATOUGH is a super long life UV stabilized greenhouse film with a thickness of 215 microns. DURATOUGH is the film of choice for contractors and for many different commercial brands of greenhouses supplied in New Zealand and Australia. And Redpaths New Zealand uses DURATOUGH on its commercial range of greenhouse structures. DURATOUGH is a clear, non-pigmented co-extruded film specifically designed for greenhouse cropping and is used by thousands of growers for their twin skin or single skin greenhouses nationwide. DURATOUGH's thickness and its quality UV stabilizer provides reliable performance, long life, and improved resistance to wear and tear, and offers up to a 10-year plus service life. DURATOUGH is the most heavy-duty commercial greenhouse film on the market, and it includes a coating on its inside surface to help prevent condensation droplets forming and then dropping onto the crop. This reduces crop disease transfer and also makes the installation process easier. DURATOUGH's 3-layer extruded natural ecopolymer is a neutral UV transmittance, allowing almost all sunlight to enter the greenhouse and allowing nature's natural insect pollinators to work happily amongst your crop. The EVA-based polymer used in DURATOUGH helps lock in heat at nighttime and gives excellent light transmission of 91% during the day for great crop production. DURATOUGH has a high PAR light, or photosynthetic light radiation, for high cropping plants. And it includes a built-in diffusion characteristic for superior light spread and light penetration throughout the full crop canopy. DURATOUGH is available in 12 widths: 2 meter, 3 meter, 4 meter, 5 meter, 6.3 meter, 7.2 meter, 8.2 meter, 9.2 meter, and wider widths of 10.5 meter, 12 meter, 13.3 meter, and 14.5 meter widths. All of these widths can be ordered custom cut to length. When ordering, we suggest you allow a little extra length over and above the greenhouse structure's actual length, so that you have some excess film for holding onto and tensioning the greenhouse plastic when fitting it. The Redpaths DuraLock film holding system can be used to secure DURATOUGH reliably for the life of the film. Redpaths DuraTough will often have a service life of between 7 to 10 years or more, and we include a 4-year pro-rata UV warranty for DURATOUGH, and we export this film throughout Australasia and the Pacific region. Any questions? Call us on free phone 050-8733-728. Or you can email us at the address shown here or check out our website.